Alright guys, here we are with Toyota Yaris 2023 model, 1.5 liter, 116 horsepower. This is the full hybrid version and we will test drive it in the night time, and you will see the lights, you will see the interior ambient light, how it's in the night time. Of course, I have another video, full review with the same car. I have also another video, a test drive on the daytime, so if you want to see those videos, check it out. They are already on the channel. I put a key here. This is the light inside. I have a separate video on my channel also with ambient light inside the cabin. If you want to see that video, check it out. It's already on the channel. This is the power button. Once you start it and you press the brake, right now the car, it's ready to drive. You can see ready here on the digital cockpit. Also great view right here in the front. I like very much the way it appears. Everything so simple, straightforward. It comes with a head-up display directly on the windscreen. I like that very much. And also I like the ambient light behind the buttons. You have a bluish color that's pleasant to the eyes, to the eye in the nighttime. Now let's go in driving. And you will see when you go in drive mode, you will see that the lights, the ambient light from the pedals and from the legs, it will completely stop, and you will have left only the background light from the buttons, the cockpit, and the multimedia system, of course, and also the lights in the front. This is the low bin, this is the high bin. This is the low bin, this is the high bin, low bin, high bin. It's really very well visible. We have full LED lights on the low bin and also on the high bin. I'm not going to talk too much about let me start the camera because I forget to start this camera, the big boy here. Right now it's working. Now I'm not going to talk too much about the technical data and about the features of the car, because I did that already in another video, so that video you will find it on the channel already. I'm just talking about the visibility and how well and how good is the car to drive in the nighttime. And I have to tell you, I didn't expect to be that good. The lights, you can see very clear in the front, and also when you activate the high bin, you have a perfect view in the front there. Everything, it's quite good light out. Also over the windows you have a great visibility. As an information, because right now I have the heating on the steering wheel on, I have to tell you that it's quite warm and nice, but what I notice is that on the upper side and on the down part of the steering wheel is not heated at all. So it's just on the side from up here to down here. So that's something to keep in mind. Head-up display, very well. You can see it in the nighttime very well. And look at this, the high bin. Really good lights. Very visible and very well. Yeah, they did a great job with it. I wouldn't change anything. You don't even need matrix LED lights or stuff like that, because those are really good. The car, it's super nice for the city. In my opinion, this is one of the most economical car that you can get in this class, and for the city is just perfect. I mean, the setup between the comfort, suspension, engine, safety features and comfort features, they are just perfect. And also this hybrid system from Toyota work phenomenal. You don't even feel when it's make the transition. It's so smooth. The CVT transmission and all this hybrid system is just gorgeous. Now we will go on the right side here, because I know a street where it's not so illuminated, so we can see there a little bit better how is the light in the nighttime. So let's go right here. It's a little bit more dark. so you can see quite better. I don't know if from the upper camera, from the GoPro, you can see so well, but on the big boy here, the bigger camera, it's quite the best camera that you can use in the nighttime, and you should see quite crystal clear everything in front. Now high beam, low beam, you can see very well also here. It's very visible. It's also so smooth. I mean, the car is so smooth. If you use the pedal quite gentle, it's incredible smooth. We drive in eco mode right now. We will use only eco mode. If you want to see it in sport mode or more driving styles, check out the other test drive, because in this one I will drive economical. I will drive only for the lights, that you can make an idea on how it's to drive in the nighttime. Here are a few bumps and the car is doing fine. It feels a little bit stiffer, the suspension, but it's normal. In general, over the small bumps is doing fine. Only when they are bigger, then you can feel a little bit the stiffness. I like the fact that it's incredible silent. You can see also the graphic here, and you can see when the electric motor is working or when the petrol engine is working. You can also turn on the fog lamps if you want to in the front. Right now they are on, and now it's closed and on. And when you turn it on, I don't know if you can see it right now. I try to show you. Now they are off, now they are on. You can see that around the car, close to the car, will illuminate the ground. Not super visible from the driver point of view, to be honest. Only if you go a little bit further in front, but from the exterior, the other traffic participant will see you. Anyway, it's so easy to drive this car. It's so light, it's so cute, and also it has a very good consumption. I will definitely try as soon as I can to make another video where I will test the consumption again. We will see also on this trip at the end what will be the consumption. I'm really curious to see that again. Good visibility also in the mirrors in the nighttime, big mirrors. Nothing to complain there as well. So now guys, we will end up this video right here. I hope you make an idea. So this is low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, and this is the light in the nighttime. Anyway, my phone is falling down. Low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. And also when you go in reverse, the car comes with a reverse camera, and also it's quite visible, even though it's super dark in the back there. The fact that you have that lights on the numbers on the reverse lights, it's kind of illuminated the ground in the back there, so you can park it without any problem. So anyway guys, that was the video. Let me stop the engine, and you can see eco score 63. It doesn't tell me the consumption, but I'm really curious to find out what was the consumption, why it didn't tell me. Anyway, you can find out that. Let me start the car again, and I want to check out the consumption. Maybe I will find it here on the menu. Let me go to the menu, continuing, because I just want to tell you that as an information. You go to the info, you go to trip information, and we go here to the history. Last 8.4 liters. I'm not sure if that was my trip what was the previous trip. Anyway, that was all guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you still have questions, if you want to see the test drive on the daytime, check out on the channel. The video is already there. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye guys.